So check out what just arrived in the mail. FIILPOW reached out and sent me 2 cordless leaf blowers to try out and use around work and the house to see how everything goes. We have the B8 Pro and the B8 Pro Plus. I'm gonna get these things unboxed and let the batteries charge up, and we're gonna see how well they work. I've been looking for something like this just to be able to keep in the truck. You know, you don't have to mix gas. Always have the gas powered leaf blower. It's always out of gas, won't never start. So I want something I can just throw in the back of the truck. I don't have to worry about it leaking gas in the cab and just making a mess. And something, you know, clean out the cabs of the excavators, you know, blow off driveways before I grade them, and just, you know, all in all, just something I need something, you know, like this for, but I don't need to carry around a huge backpack blower for something I just, you know, need something to blow off real quick. Let's get them unboxed and charge the batteries. So now I have both of the blowers put together. We got the Pro and the Pro Plus. This one is 450 CFM, 20 volt. The Pro Plus is 570 CFM with 2 batteries, which makes it the 40 volt. So the Pro has 2 speeds, low or 1 and 2. And it also has a turbo button. So you can go from that to really getting some power there. But the Pro Plus has 3 different speeds. 1, 2, 3, and then turbo. So I think these are going to work good just to be able to keep around the house, and one in the truck. So all of the newer trucks all have the power inverter, so I normally just keep a charger plugged in. That way when I take these to work, when I need to clean the equipment off and or do my burn piles, I can fan the fire with that and clean out all the equipment. So let's go try this one out right here, because I have a dirty carport where the tractor goes. So where I park the tractor, all the mud from this winter likes to accumulate on the tires, and let's just say it's made a mess. Now I might regret this, but I have almost a ½ inch of dirt on the concrete, so let's see how much dust we can make. I'm not gonna lie, that actually worked pretty good. Let's try it on low. So that's low. 2, 3. But you know what? I like turbo. Over a ½ inch of dirt. Nice and clean. Well, let me finish up real quick. Well, the blower's dusty because I'm dusty. That worked pretty good, considering there was, I don't know, 50 pounds worth of dirt on the floor. Other than the mud that's still stuck on the concrete, that worked pretty good. Let's go clean the driveway off a little bit. So a lot of times when I'm grading out driveways, there's always a little bit of leaves or pine straw on it, and it's just going to be handy to have something to keep in the truck. Blow all the pine straw off before it's time to grade out. see what the Pro will do. All right, let's go to work. Oh, and this was the main reason for the blower. Cleaning out the cab. There we go. Takes like 10 seconds. Well, if you're interested in it, there's a link in the description. Nice and clean cab.